Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 3rd of December 2014. And starting off with the 5-minute chart for yesterday's activity, you can see that prices traded up in one direction yesterday. And no surprise really after what I discussed with you in yesterday's Market Alert, what we saw in the daily chart, which we'll get to in just a moment. So first off, we see the market opening driving high with professional buying. There's some potential weakness here at the previous day's high, which we can see with the pivot line there. We've got some selling then confirmed, and the market moves lower with further selling down to the psychological level of 17,800. And then we see buying pressure coming into the market. No surprise, psychological level. You can see exactly what the professional traders are doing, and then we see prices moving back to the upside, nearly 50 points to the upside there, before the market then trades sideways, and guess where it stops? On the previous day's high. The market then trades sideways, trading back up to the 17,850 level there. You can see it just oscillating, and then prices closing below the low of the professional buying bar there. If I just draw this in for you, you can see there. However, there's no selling around, so the market then finds support just above the previous day high and then resumes to the upside. We get a bit of selling at the resistance 2 level there once prices have driven through the 17,800. You can see the professional buying required to do this. Bit of weakness beforehand. The market has a look at trading through this psychological level. It then notices that it can go through on low volume, and again there's a bit of selling around there. There's an increase in the volume there, which you can see, and then prices drive through, bit of profit taken at the R2. This disappears, the market trades sideways. You can see prices trading below this professional buying bar but not closing, which is important. And then again moving higher, trading up towards the 17,900 level. So we're not far off the 18,000 which I've spoken about, and also we have a new all-time high yesterday at 17,900 psychological level, nearly taken there. The high for yesterday is 17,897 by the looks of things, but we'll confirm that in the daily chart in a moment. So then we see the market moving back there, and we have a sell triple X there, but unfortunately this is only half an hour or so before the close of trade, so a bit late in the session. But as I said yesterday, if we have a look at the daily charts, I'm just going to alter this slightly, and then we'll zoom in as well so we can have a closer look. So yesterday we've got this situation of the market trading in this sideways channel. You can see yesterday the market high for yesterday is 17,896, so we're 4 points higher than the previous one. So let me just mark that up as well. So there we go, and then just drag that out to the right. So we've got a new all-time high made yesterday. No surprise to me, as I indicated, because we had this selling bar, very high volume, the highest volume we've had for quite some time. And then we see yesterday we also have some buying driving the market back to the upside. So don't be surprised to see 18,000 hit before we have any correction in this market. On the news front, very quiet day until we've got 3 p.m. for the ISM non-manufacturing. I'm just looking a bit before that. We've got these are all 130, 115, so we're not too concerned about these. And of course Osborne's got his autumn statement today as well. He's see how truthful he is about the GDP debt ratio as well today. They tend to use the term deficit as opposed to debt, which is not the same, but anyway, that's another story. FOMC meeting at 5:30. Plus is going to speak. Got the beige book at 7 p.m. and Brainard's going to speak again at 7 p.m. So it could be a bit of interesting activity around the 7 p.m. early evening session there. On the implied volatility front, 11.41 down on yesterday. You can see the market turning their back from the 12% area. The historic volatility down towards the 8%, 8.35. It's got a bit to go to the July low, which was 5.65, but all heading in the right direction for another correction in this market shortly. So that's it for this morning. Unfortunately, no PTP XXX trades, but certainly activity and trades using the test bars. If you've actually watched the 9 videos on this, it's available in the additional training section of the members section of the Pinpoint Trader website. Right, that's it for me. I'll see you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert. As ever, thank you for your support, very much appreciated. And also for watching. See you in the next one.